In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Wrike. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you have the right permissions to delete projects. If you're not sure about your access level, it's a good idea to check with your workspace administrator first, because deleting a project can affect everyone who's working on it. Now, go to the space or folder where your project is located. You can use the left-hand navigation panel or any custom view you've set up. Once you've found the project you want to remove, make sure you've selected the correct one. Take a second to double check the project name and contents so you don't accidentally delete the wrong project, especially if your workspace has similar or duplicated names. With the project selected, move your mouse over its name. On the right side of the project row or near the project title in the header, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the Options or More Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots to open the drop-down menu for that specific project. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of actions you can perform. Look through the options and find the one labeled Delete. This is the command that will remove the project from Wrike. Go ahead and click on Delete. If you don't see this option, it usually means you don't have permission to delete that project. So again, you may need to contact your admin or a team lead. After you click Delete in the menu, Wrike will show a confirmation dialog. This is a safety step to make sure you really want to proceed, because deleting a project is often a significant action. In this dialog, you'll see a message explaining that the project and its associated items, like tasks and subfolders, will be removed. Take a moment here to confirm that this is indeed the project you want to delete and that no one else still needs it. If you're absolutely sure, click on Delete again in the confirmation window. Once you do this, Wrike will process your request and the project will be deleted from the workspace. Depending on your account settings, it may be moved to a recycle or trash area where an administrator can restore it for a limited time, or it may be permanently removed. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a project in Wrike.